Oh, I see it. Hello, everybody. CJ Compton here. I was just saying I see the headlight, but this is CJ Compton here at Hoover Road, Hoover Road, here in Milan, Ohio. The train I saw stopped at Mason Junction, and now it is coming. We have a train coming. Check it out. Roll it. Here it comes. Roll it. Did you see the headlight?
Yeah.
Okay. Here it comes. Roll it. Sorry about the shakes. Same train right there, folks. I think it's malfunctioning again. This is weird. It hasn't gone up yet. Oh, here we go. About that one video, I might have been wrong. The symbol on that train is the Norfolk Southern 11Q. I thought it was the 18N or 17N. My bad. I thought it was the 17N, but I think it's the 11Q. The 11Q starts out in Conway, Pennsylvania, heads west to Bellevue, Ohio, where it terminates at the Mormon Yard. I'm about halfway from the yard in Bellevue. I'm about halfway from the Bellevue Yard, or the Mormon Yard in Bellevue, Ohio, from this location. All on this Sunday, April 13th of 2025, from CJ Compton on YouTube. Well, I guess that's it. So So let's roll it. I hope y'all enjoyed, and that is it.